Silky Beat.
Honor Magic 5 Ultimate Edition just launched before few days. Fast refresh rate, 4-side curved OLED display, flagship eagle-eye camera setup, flagship processor, new silicon carbon battery, fast wired and wireless charging and many more. Today I'm gonna show you unboxing and first impression of the Honor Magic 5 Ultimate Edition phone. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider subscribing, turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's now get to the unboxing. As usual, take a look at the packaging. Black box supplemented by the bronzing text. Open from here, the slogan of the ultimate version, be diligent and far-reaching and strive for the perfection. At the top, there is a mobile phone. Take it out and put it aside. A piece of paper worth 800 yuan. Take off the tray. Let's look at the accessories below. The largest box has a SIM card pin, the other is an orange plastic hard case and an instruction and the Type-C line data cable. A 66-watt charging head, not much too slow. The Honor Magic 5 Ultimate Edition comes in two colors, elegant black and burning orange. Both colors have a plain leather material. The burning orange color is more vibrant and gives a sporty car interior feel, but it still looks as sophisticated, similar to Hemis, and the bump on the lens is still present, but it's not a blunt bump. There is a transaction arc from the back panel and the lens glass is not flat, it's made of hyperbolic glass. And the small angle lens shape of the ultimate version is more restricted this time. At first glance it looks like ellipse, but if you observe carefully you can see that the lens still has a little corner. The iconic elements should not be lost, right? Honor Magic series is still easily recognizable among Android phones. The upper skin and the waistline of the version are much softer compared to the ceramic or a glass version. Additionally, Honor uses the straight edges on the frame, which gives it a good texture. However, the downside is that it's not very smooth. It's clear the Honor aims to express a combination of the softness and firmness with the straight and the sharp edges, creating a rebellious vibe. The overall design gives the impressive of the something that's both smooth and edgy. The front of the Honor Magic 5 Ultimate Edition has a very rounded shape. Thanks to the streamlined 4-curved screen, the Honor Magic series has always had a smooth and sleek design, and this screen is not exception. No exceptions. The left and right surfaces of this generation are slightly curved. This design ensures a visually stunning display while maintaining the integrity of the screen's level and displaying its content. However, there is a contradiction when applying a screen protector film, as it takes away of roundness of the screen. If you choose not to use a screen protector, the experience is cooler, but there is a risk of screen breaking or getting scratched. It's up to personal preferences. The quality of the screen is also noteworthy. The 6.81-inch screen on the Honor Magic 5 Ultimate Edition is outstanding. The screen is bright with a global 1300 brightness and peaking up to 1800 nits. The boasts a resolution of 2848 by 1312 with the 461 ppi with true 1 billion colors, DCI P3 color gamut and the multiple HDR certification. This also has a 120Hz LTPO adaptive dynamic refresh rate and 2160Hz high frequency PWM dimming. The Honor Magic 5 Ultimate Edition comes with a self-developed communication radio frequency enhancement chip called the C1. It's unclear whether this chip is related to the hash. It's used to enhance the signal and the speed up to the connection with switching off the signal. In areas with the poor signal, the C1 chip can be helpful. For instance, when in a location with the weak 4G network, the Honor Magic 5 Ultimate Edition can still maintain a connection with 1 to 2 bars, while an iPhone may temporarily lose the services or the drop down to 3G. The Honor Magic 5 Ultimate Edition has a new and improved camera called the Eagle Eye, which is very fast and accurate. It can take a picture quickly and in succession, unless by compared to the speed and quality of the pictures taken with the Eagle Eye to those taken with the iPhone 14 Pro. Even without using the night view mode, the Honor Magic 5 Ultimate Edition takes the brighter and the clearer picture than the iPhone. However, when the iPhone's night view mode is turned off, the pictures are black. Also took some pictures at the night to show the capabilities of the Eagle Eye camera. The Eagle Eye camera has a feature called the Hawking Wonderful Capture, which can be activated by the pressing the button in the lower left corner of the camera interface. When this feature is turned on in camera setting, the Honor Magic 5 Ultimate Edition can capture the clearer and detailed movement of the people, cats and dogs in motion. Additionally, in the camera setting, there is an option to enable automatic capture for even more convenience. When you turn on the automatic capture feature in the camera setting, the Honor Magic 5 Ultimate Edition AI technology automatically detects certain scenes and predict when to take the photos. This means that you don't need to press the shutter button, as the camera will automatically capture the photos for you when it detects and the corresponding scenes. The camera interface is shown on the screen. The Hawkeye automatic capture feature is turned on if the camera detects something exciting happening, like someone jumping, it will automatically take the picture for you. For example, if people are playing basketball and someone does a jump shot, the camera will capture that moment without any having to press the shutter button. This way you won't miss any great moments. The resulting picture are very accurate. If you have situation where you want to use this feature, turn on automatic capture and let the AI do the work for you. I also took some regular pictures for you to see. The Honor Magic 5 series has a large battery capacity due to its use of the new silicon carbide anode material that increase the energy density. The standard version has more than 5000 mAh, while the Master Edition has the 5450 mAh, which is likely having a power bank. However, the phone is quite thick at 8.7 mm and the heavy at 217 grams. It also supports 50-watt wireless charging and can be used a wireless charging bank with the 66-watt fast charging. The battery life of the Honor Magic 5 series is impressive and it can be charged to more than 70% in just 30 minutes. The Honor Magic 5 series has a top-of-the-line hardware and professional bottom-level tuning, including the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, LPDDR5X plus UFS 4.0 storage, and a GPU Turbo X. Its gaming performance is impressive with the average frame rate of 59.5 frames and maximum temperature of 44 degrees during a high load game test, and an average of 119.8 frames and the maximum temperature of 40.7 degree during the low medium load for the Honor of King. The Ultimate Edition also has an independent display chip X5 Pro which can insert frame to improve the game performance. According to the testing, this feature is not very user friendly and doesn't have a significant effect. In conclusion, the Honor Magic 5 Ultimate Edition is a significant improvement over the previous generation, particularly in its SoC with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 and its eagle-eye camera with AI capabilities that can capture the other notable feature, including the top-of-the-line screen, extremely battery life and the self-developed chip. Overall, Honor has transformed its branding and it's now better than ever. Therefore, if you need a high-end flagship phone, I would recommend it the Honor Magic 5 Ultimate Edition. So what do you guys think about it? Tell us your thought in the comment section below if you have any questions. Also give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friend. Please subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.